Since everyone does tons of push-ups, we might as well just correct this posture now. We need to learn how to tent during push-ups. I'll show you exactly what I mean today. It'll decrease back pain, shoulder pain, and get you to do more push-ups. Enjoy. I like to start learning push-ups just by this prone face down position, nice long tall spine, and then drive the elbows in towards the ground. The shoulder blades in a lot of people, they're tipped up and asymmetrical with push-ups, so I want to combat that today in this video, and we're going to tent and bring the spine up. The elbows are always the contact in this, and what you're going to see is my belly, or all the way down to my pubic bone or even thighs, can be the contact depending upon how high you go. Now we're trying to drive the elbows into the ground, having proper breathing and tension inside the outer abdominal wall. If you have a question on that, I have a whole video on it. And then you just bring the spine up slightly. Breathe at the top and come down. Now extending like this, you're going to see that my back just lights up, and that's not good, actually. It might look okay, but it's not. And look at my shoulder blades with this. So these are two common compensations that we see with push-ups where people break form. Use tenting to improve your form, hold and breathe, and I promise you'll decrease shoulder and back pain with push-ups.